Now proceed towards the second case for image formation by convex mirror. Again, this is the principal axis. This is convex mirror. Here this point is known as pole, that is focus, and that point is center of curvature. Here an object is placed between pole and infinity. Pole और infinity के बीच में एक object रखा है AB, which is upright to the mirror. So rule number 1, when an object is placed on the principal axis, first of all parallel rays come. This is the parallel rays. As the nature of the convex mirror is diverging, so it diverges the beam in that direction. Okay, तो मैंने आपको arrow कैसे बताया, like that, because the light is diverged from that surface. Now this divergent ray is produced and passes through focus. Okay, again rule number 2, ray passes through center of curvature. Another ray passes through center of curvature, undergo undeviated. These two rays appear to meet at the point this is the point. So this is the point of the image and mark it as A dash B dash. Okay, because on principal axis point is B, so corresponding point for the image is B dash, and that for object is A, so that for image is A dash. Here this image is also upright to that of mirror, so nature is virtual and erect. Okay, now come to its position, size and nature. Position of object. Object is placed between pole and infinity. Object को कहाँ रखा है, pole और infinity के बीच में. Position of image. Position of image. Image is formed between pole and focus. Size of image. Size of image is diminished, that is small in comparison to that of object. And nature of image is virtual and erect, as object is placed upright and image is also upright on the other side of the object, so it is virtual and erect. So this is the only two case for image formation by convex mirror.